so many translations of the Bible in circulation. And I think we just sort of kind of prove why that is. It's because not everybody sees things the same way. Everybody has a perspective about what they see, what they believe, and what's important to them. And as a result, we will see things differently. And that's what happened when it came to the Bible as well. Is that not everybody, depending on your experience, depending on your politics, depending on your theology, depending on your relationships, you will have a primary way of seeing things based on and filtered through who you are. And not all of us are filtered the same way.